Are you bored of wearing kurtis? Do you want to look stylish and glamorous even in a kurti? So you're at the right place. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Fashion and Lifestyle. Today in my video, I have picked a basic kurti which is a daily wear kurti. I'm going to style this kurti in 12 different ways. Basically, I'm going to keep the kurti same. I'm going to change the bottoms. I'm going to stylize each time in a different bottom. I'm going to play around with the same kurti and I'm going to change the bottom of the kurtis. I'm going to add extra accessories to it and make it look more fashionable, glamorous and very attractive. So I'm going to just show you how to style your kurtis in 12 different ways. One single kurti in 12 different ways. So guys, let's start this video.
So as you all can see, I'm wearing a mustard color kurti here, which is having a kadhi print, a center front placket with a gold buttons and a round neck. So I'm going to start with a basic styling. I've paired the kurti with a dark pink leggings. Leggings are not so trendy though, but quite comfortable for daily use. Here I'm wearing a pink dupatta with a yellow border, which is really going well and making it look like a salwar suit set. Now I have paired the kurti with a pink mirror work jacket and it is really adding more charm to the entire look. Palazzos are quite trendy, so here I have paired the kurta with a pink palazzo. Now I am wearing a mirror work jacket with this palazzo and the kurti, and it's really looking marvelous and very colorful and bright. I am wearing the simple yellow earrings for this look. I've paired this look with the beaded sandals. I'm wearing a green lahariya dupatta along with a nice mirror work embroidery. I've worn a statement earring, a green color earring, which is really going well with the entire look. It's making it look more glamorous and nice. Now to add more elegance to this outfit, I have used a stole. I've just worn a stole around my neck and I have paired the kurta again with the pink palazzo and I'm wearing a ring. I'm wearing a black shoes to complete the look. Now to add more fun for this entire look, I've paired it with a denim pant and a denim jacket. Folded the pants slightly and I'm wearing a white shoes to add more casual and smart look for this entire outfit. Here I have folded the cuffs of the kurti slightly higher and I have buttoned it up. I'm wearing a sleeveless jacket and paired it with a denim and white shoes to give a more playful and trendy look. How could I miss out on scarves? So I've paired this kurti again with a scarf which is really going well. The shades of the scarves are really going well with the kurti and I'm wearing an indigo blue denim. I folded the denim slightly at the bottom hem and I'm paired with the black shoes. I've tied a high pony which is really looking super smart and I'm wearing a gold ring which is really going well with the entire look. Now to add a classy look for this kurti, I've paired it with a matching dupatta which is having a gote embroidery, silver gote embroidery, and I feel it's really looking very beautiful along with this dupatta. And I've worn a crop pant, a gold color crop pant, which is really looking very nice together, and it's a monochrome but still yet it's really giving and adding a charm to the entire look. I'm wearing a nice earring also, which is going well with the dupatta. I'm wearing a gold and cream color wedges, and all together it's giving a very versatile look. You can try this look for the day functions. It really looks very nice and glamorous. Here I have given a traditional look for this kurti by pairing it with a red patiala pant and a red dupatta. You can try this look during the festival season. You can wear it during Rakhi or any other festivals or pujas at home. It really goes well because of the colors are quite traditional. And I'm also wearing a nice kundan earring, which is really complementing the entire look. Here I have paired the kurti with a black palazzo batik pant, which is having a gold print on it. It is really going very nice with the mustard color kurti, and I'm also wearing a statement neck piece, a black statement neck piece. So the entire look is looking very authentic and nice, and it's giving a real good charm. I'm wearing a kada bangle also, and regarding the footwear, I'm wearing sandals, a black beaded sandals, which is really looking nice, which is complementing the entire look. This is actually giving a party wear look for this kurti.
So guys, you just saw that how you can style your kurtis and make it look more glamorous, attractive, and make it look more trendy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please try these styles on your kurtis also, and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. So stay tuned with Fashion and Lifestyle. Have a nice day. Bye.